Hello. Today we are going to use view component to create a dynamic menu. At the end of this video, you will be able to create a dynamic menu like this one. It loads the data from SQL Server in the database MVC-Product and load the data in DB query. So let's open our Visual Studio 2026 and let's open Project Management Solution. You can visit Microsoft website to learn more about View Component. Click Solution Explorer, click Product Management, right click Add, New Folder, View Component, and right click, Add, Class, I name it Query, Menu, View Component, click Add, using Microsoft ASP.NET, ASP.NET Core, MVC, using Product Management, Data Product, View Component, and private. Read only. Database Product Store Content, Public. Query, View Component, and we have to create a method import public. I will component result import và DB query store content query order by descending query ID return view DB query and save. Let's Solution Explorer, go to Share and right click, Add Folder, New Folder, I name it Component, and in Component right click, Add New Folder, I name it Query Menu. You have to pay attention here. The query menu folder must match the name of the method query menu. But the name of the query menu must match the query menu, the name of the class. And in the category menu folder, click add uh, add view and razor view entry. Click add. I name it default. Click add build solution. Build solution. And run the solution. Right, inspect element. Right, copy element and go back to Visual Studio. Delete it. Control V. Model. I enumerate. I enumerable. Products management. Data product. TV table. TV carry. And delete it. For it. By item. In model. Cut it. And pass item carry name. And the next step is to import a view component. Copy this line. So we have to open our layout. Layout organic product, double click and double click, right click, copy and edit file with file, Ctrl V, file net right here, delete it and copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, every menu, build solution and run the solution. Yeah, at the end we have a dynamic menu. It loads the data from the database DB product store, not all the data in the column name, carry name, all the data in this column to our layout website. So this is the end of my video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.